See, I channeled all the yams to the fence.
Yes.
That one is golden. But there's so many of them, and they're doing so well. I can see some scent leaf there too. Yes. The scent leaf is not water. Yes. So we can do our pepper soup at
course.
very well. You're already cooking one stuff. Yes, the scent leaf is on it. This is bad.
What kind of tea, yeah?
Okay.
You don't have this one.
Yes.
Sour chop. You need to get it. Yeah? You need to get it. Yes. Yeah, mango.
Mango. Are you waiting for the harvest?
Yes.
Okay, how about you? What do you think?
Very good. Great. I like what you're doing.
Yes, many people are think it's not for real. So you have seen for yourself.
You can stay in your house and use this
Yes,
bag
you did.
to do your
Yes.
do your farming.
Exactly what I did.
It's a great
Idea.
idea.
Thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you.